Okay, hello fellow pale people. Today we will be doing one of the holiest playthroughs of existence. Teardown. Let's get it. Hopefully. Ooh. I don't know what that sounds like for you, but like these two headphones got bass! Okay, I'm so sorry for harming you. Boeing 737. A! You dare challenge me? You didn't see what I did to the Noita gameplay, did you? Don't hurt me, I'm sorry. I hate those purple things. If you saw my last, also known as very first video, you know how much I hate those purple things. They most definitely did not. Oh, wow. I'm trying to figure out okay. I'm trying to figure out if these are okay, these are good frames. Compared to what this map normally does, these are good frames. Excuse me? But what are those? Hang on. Seems I've hit something. I guess I'll have to go in. Okay. I need to be careful. After all, this is a plane, so, if I, like, punch a hole in the side or something, I've kind of blown the entire place up. Oh, crap. So, this is, like, what? Oh, my God! Okay, so I'm just gonna restart. We're gonna pretend I didn't just do that and move on with our life. You got me, bro? Okay. Thank you for loading. Hey, don't mind me, fellow passengers. I'm just doing an excavation or something. I don't friggin' know. Just don't pay attention. Go about your regular passenger business. I think it was a really bad spot to start right here because my experience with this map, that's a gas line, I believe. Again, the Inferno torch. So right-clicking normally picks things up, except with this torch, it makes it a murder torch. Oh. Hang on. I'll just hang on. Un momento. Yeah. Okay, there. Now I can just jump on down. Seems to be a slight lack of what I saw last time. I think I need to get a little bit further here. I love how calm these people are. I'm just planting buckshot after buckshot into the floor of this plane. They're just like, I see this every day. So, 107? Hope these aren't engines or something, because I hope they're just really freaking heavy crates. Jeez. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to intro. Ooh, what's this way? It's me, a Mario. What does this mean? Is this like a loading ramp? I'm so confused. I have a feeling someone's gonna be in the comments. After completely roasting me, they're just gonna be like, bro, that's a loading ramp. Are you just dumb? I'll be like, yeah. After crying myself to sleep, of course. I mean, see, a lot of people are gonna want me, probably, I don't know. I'm not plebs like you, I mean good, honest people like you. But a lot of them are gonna want me to grab the whole plane itself. What is that? No. Hey, move. Sir. Grabbing the plane itself is an immensely bad idea. Okay. Ah. That could have been much worse than it was. And I'm grateful for that. God, please. Guys. Help. Help. Okay. I was almost killed by a single tiny chunk. Yeah, I'm just gonna Spider-Man my way through here. I think I'm stuck. I'll just... Oh, no. Please don't suck everything out. Hang on. Where are they? Okay. Maybe I can just... Maybe I can just... Yeah. They'll never know the difference. What is that green? Is there, like, any end to this? Because I actually kind of want to know what that is. This is really annoying. Ooh, wait. Nope, I thought I saw a break. That's just the flash of the gun. Do you ever wonder how people up top feel? They're just hearing shots go off right below them. But as you could tell from my first time on this map, it's quite realistic. I'm so close to blowing out the floor, it's actually unbelievable. What does all... Oh, yes, a break. Oh, God. I've been shooting mere inches away from fuel tanks. I'm assuming this is fuel too. I've been shooting mere inches away. Oh, nice. Nothing too important here. I'd know not to shoot that because it'll do some really annoying explodey stuff. My computer will want to die because I'm right. Can I leave? Like, did I just come up directly under someone's seat? Don't mind me, guys. I'm just trying to... No, I didn't come up under someone's seat. I just blew through a wall. How you feeling, buddy? Didn't ask. Okay, so... Gonna just get my, physics gun. Hey, what's going on here? Oh, that was a lag spike for no reason. Okay, just gonna get everything off of here. I asked a question, idiots. Oh! Are you good? I know I ripped your spot. Oh. Hey guys. We have a slight issue. You good? Like, whatever. Men, we have a slight issue back there. I think I might have damaged the gas. Are you even listening to me? Oh. I think I killed him. Okay, I gotta go. I'm lagging. Oh, God. Here, hang on. Give me the fire extinguisher. Why is it packed in there so tightly? What if a fire gets out? They just gotta, like, have 7 people try to remove the thing. Can I, like... Hang on. Here, take this. Oh, I'm sorry. Close. Thank you. Wait, hang on. Yeah, there's fire in there. Well, I guess I better evacuate. Oh, my god. I'm so sorry. Really? Oh god. Oh god. I mean, I did this once at the beginning of this episode, but I wasn't like that into depth. I basically just shot something and then restarted the map. Oh, okay, no. Does that engine actually break? Like, if I throw something in it, will it break? Find out next time on Ghostbusters. Okay, guess that's good, yeah. Oh, it does! See? See, now that hang on. Okay, see, that one's smoking and burning. Sir, when I tell you go leave, that means go. And this one's like regular gray smoke. That fire is really kicking up. How do you think the pilots feel? I mean, I kind of blew something up in their cabin and then cooked them like it's a friggin' barbecue, but yeah, they'll be fine. What do you guys think? I like. Oh, it actually. Oh. Ah. Oh. No. Okay, back it. I believe. Hang on. If I like put something out there, it'll go flying. Yeah. See. So if I jump. Oh. I'm gonna use my training from firefighter school. Stay low. That's all I know when it comes to fires. That's getting pretty bad, actually. Hang on. I think maybe if I use wooden planks to block off the fire, nothing too bad can happen, right? It won't get past. Yeah, I know it's gonna get past, but like, maybe it'll buy me some time. Oh, come on. Whatever. It's fine. Okay, so... Wow, this is really tall. What's the point of making a doorway this big? Not even the trolleys the flight attendants carry are this tall. Not even the flight attendants are this tall. Yeah, that's perfect. No one's getting through there. Actually, that kind of bothers me, that little open gap. And... perfect. There, now the fire will never get past. Meanwhile, this giant hole. Sir, I don't know if you noticed, but the oxygen masks dropped down. The lights are on, and you can hear a fire on the other side of it. Why are you still sitting there? Here, I'll help you guys leave. I think these can open too. Like, right? Oh, that's cool. They even have emergency exit doors open. So, if you guys need to leave, like, anytime, I got you, bro. Oh! What did I do? So the wing has fuel too? Oh, of course the wing has fuel. Okay then. It's not getting past that fortification. What if I hide in the cargo hold? What do you think? Buddy? I want you to survive. I know there's fuel down there. Just don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'll protect you. Okay? See? Okay, so we gotta be careful that way, okay? Okay, you just come here. Sit down right there. If you stay hidden, the fire monsters won't get you. You're definitely most definitely doomed. Eternal flaming death. How about you? You guys are alive. Oh, they are alive. Is there anyone? Oh, Sorry. He's the smart one of you guys. He's hiding in the bathroom. Guys, don't worry. I'll save you. I'm gonna open the door. Why is the door? Fine, I'll break it down. Perfect. Oh my god. Come on, like, giblet. Okay, so the fire's coming, so hang on. I don't know who to save. Your legs are trapped, so how about you? You know what? I'll leave you here, actually. I'm just gonna leave you here. Hope you survived. I'm saving this man's. Okay, so there's a secret hole. Oh, I think it hit one of the gas lines. Oh, the lag. Sorry, guys. Sorry you have to go through this. Sir, get in there. I'm trying to save your life. Oh, the lag. Okay, I'll show you the secret hiding spot, but I gotta hurry. Because I'm fairly certain the fire's practically on our cheeks. Oh, I forgot I have to be careful because if I rip their spine out, they'll die. I mean, obviously. Okay. You two stay hidden. I don't want the fire getting to you. I'll go try and extinguish it. It's probably really bad at this point. See, they even provided me with a world-class extinguisher. I'm so sorry about the lag, but honestly, we can power through it. We got this. So the fire hasn't even... Whoa! What happened? I heard an explosion and a lag spike, but... Holy crap, it almost blew the ship in half. Yeah, I'll put this out so it can't spread. Like, it practically blew the ship in half. It blew it. Look at this. Bro. I'm fairly certain there were actually still some people over there, so... Like, it's collapsing as we speak. I like how it kind of picked back. Hold up. I think I found someone's child. Sir, are you okay? Man, I gotta flip you around. Come on, you know what? Oh, he's slightly burned, but he's fine. Hang on, I need to make sure he's not contaminated. I'm fairly certain that would kill someone if you did that in real life. Like, it would poison them. Kid, you're just a liability. I'm sorry. Man, I got a sniper, don't I? Meteor strike. Yeah, it's the M82. Did you just throw something at me? What is happening? Hey kid, you feeling okay over there? Oh! Oh, it's gonna spread through the top. Oh, man, my cat just ran away. I was gonna ask him what we should do, but I know what to do. Should I just jump, like, right now? No, I got too much to do. Like, why doesn't this thing have a fire suppression system or some crap? Do plates have fire suppression systems? Okay, So, I think because the cockpit's absolutely destroyed, the wind is pushing through here, so I can't be here without that. Oh! Oh, holy crap! there was a whole, like, front part of that cockpit. It's gone now. I think the best I can do is attempt to, like, put out the fire that's coming into this pipe. But honestly, this is kind of cool. Like, this is really cool. You guys can't tell me you don't like watching fires engulf an entire friggin' plane. I saw you guys. Nothing I didn't see. Why am I so short? How do people even reach their luggage these days? The wiring! Yeah, nah. I don't know if I think they're like in the roof and the light's just shining through the glass. Or boxes. They're actually I don't know what to do here. All my extinguisher stuff is falling into the void. It is literally in the compartment. I can't do anything about that. Like, oh crap, stupid wind. Maybe I can just like do this. Okay, I can't. The wind. I guess I can just put this up. Yes. Nothing too bad can happen, right? How? Sir, I hope you're well aware of the fact that, there's a fire going. You know what? Thanks for your sacrifice. Yeah. Kobe. LeBron. So you're still alive. How is it out here? I mean, it must be kind of windy. And really, really hard to breathe. That's a lot of smoke. Wasn't this that started everything? I threw a fire extinguisher and everything and just decided to commit no-live. Let me see this. I am physically incapable of seeing it. Hey, I got it. See if that gets any dirt or no. Didn't even do that much damage. How are you doing? Because I know you're in here. You're doing fine. Okay. How are you guys doing? Is anyone alive? Okay. I'm gonna go check on it one more time, and I'm gonna do the one thing we've been waiting for. I'm gonna grab the plane with the physics gun and throw it across the plane. Oh, stop it. So I know you can see through that tiny little gap. How's it doing over there? Oh! It's picked up exponentially. Really? You really want to fight me right now? Oh. After what we've all been waiting for. Oh. I see. See, this is actually better than what normally happens, because normally when I've done this, the entire game just decides to quit life. I don't think I should have done it again. We're getting a whopping 16 frames per hour. I'm so surprised that this is still working. How's the plane doing? Let me just go to the map to see. Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna just go to a different map. I'm so sorry. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. This is a fun map. Hey. Yo, I know everyone here knows of Chads. And if you're a Chad yourself, get out. Get out right. Okay, so everyone knows of Chads. Chads get whatever they please. So when a Chad loses his video game. Actually, as a matter of fact, this right here is the beautiful mic I'm using. Not really, I'm using like a headset mic. And this is what my mic sounds like. See, after doing that to this poor mic should sound like actual garbage and you only hear static. That's what it should sound like. Oh! What is your keyboard made out of, my mans? It just broke through drywall and cut the metal legs off of a lamp. I am actually kind of... Ooh, I forgot about the telekinesis. Here. Gotta turn on Unbreakable, and you just get to, like... Flying apple. Does that say laser? Shift P? I'm clicking that. What? Oh, I clicked on pull. Man, I gotta turn on auto dig to get through this epic behemoth of a wall. Thanks. So this is what it looks like from my perspective. Just like... I just, like, stopped controlling it, so, Oh my god, how heavy is that apple? Oh, yeah, books in this game apparently must be made of the tears of Satan or something, because... Hang on, let me just... This hurts to watch, considering I have a good PC. What about this? Hang on. One more. I have to ask what this stuff is made out of, because it's literally destroying brick. But books in this game must be made by the power of God, because, watch. What kind of book just smashes through... What would this be? Hang on, let me check. What kind of book can just smash through, like, wood or some type of hard plastic with ease, mind you? Hold up. Like, this is what it looks like from the ground. How? You can't just... Nah, that's illegal. See, actually, like, this is kind of what my headset do be looking like, though. Yeah, let me get it down. Let me get you down, baby. Airstrike. Whatever should I use? I really don't know. I have so many options. Laser cutter, that ought to do it. Okay, just, eh. Short range? Why short range? They are long range. You may notice I am gradually sinking. That's because my flight powers. I was trying to get it down without destroying it, but then again, what did I think was gonna happen? So yeah, this is what my headphones look like. It's completely destroyed too. So like, hang on, it's not completely destroyed. Completely destroyed my. I grabbed the desk by accident. That wasn't an accident that time. Oh, I forgot to look at the PC! Oh, I saved it. Let's just gently rest this beautiful monstrosity on the ground. I'm gonna just restart because I can't look at something so beautiful with lag. With lag! Okay, hang on, I gotta do my daily routine. Anytime I open up this map. I don't know why, I just find it so satisfying to do that. Ooh, gotta inspect the PC. Hey, ooh, what if I just lay it down so then I can just like climb on top of it and look in? That was possibly the worst What are you doing? Really? Oh, turns out throwing a PC is quite the bad idea. The fridge. Oh no, I'm sorry, God. Okay, I angered the gods with that, so we shan't talk of it. My spine. My beautiful new mic, belovingly gifted to me by my father. Sponsor me, father, otherwise I'm kidding. Okay, so this is like a room from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, except in Teardown, so it's Honey, I Shrunk the Teardown. Get it? It's so different. Ha ha ha. And I gotta get it just right. Okay, got inspected, make sure I didn't damage it too bad. Oh my God. Oh my God, I just heard the holiest thing ever. Hang on, I'm gonna have to inspect this PC stupid quickly because I just heard my beautiful grandma's voice. Don't laugh at me in the comments. I will choke you people. I'm a dangerous murderer. FBI, please don't hit me. I'm sorry. How am I gonna get in this? I didn't think this far. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to, like, build my way up like it's for... You know what? No, I'm not even gonna sit. Okay, I'm in. Now to gently make my way inside. FBI, open up, you little... Okay. So there's the fan. Yeah, I'm looking at my computer right now. It seems accurate. There's the lights. Blue. Seems accurate. Graphics card. And let me check. Seems accurate. Yeah. Whatever this thing is. Seems accurate. Again, I don't know because I feel like it's missing a lot of things. Like, there's supposed to be a, hang on. Let me just plank up. And I'm not talking about the ones that seem like they take forever. Okay, so... Oh, come on! The glass, it wasn't letting me jump. Sir? Sir? Don't make me get the gun. Sir! Thank you. Okay. Aw, man, I didn't mean to break the lights, but I kind of did. Okay, now I could just go monkey on this thing. That actually seems quite correct, as a matter of fact. Now to get out of here. Seeing as how I'm small, this explosion won't be too big. Okay, that was Teardown. Tell me what you think in the comments and if I should play another episode of it. I'll get back to Nuita later. Bye.